Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
We're getting more concerned about the thunderstorm potential tomorrow afternoon and early evening, and that some storms may be strong to severe. We'll talk about that in just a second. Let's first start with the heat, day number 6, and most areas now with some sunshine, though parts of our south shore now getting some fog. The humidity is so high here in Situate. No fog, just sunshine, upper 80s to lower 90s. We take it to Easton's Beach where the sun was shining a little while ago, and the fog now starting to roll in across parts of the coast. You need a scorecard here to keep track of the 6-day heat wave, which started on Tuesday at 93, Wednesday 96, Thursday 93, Friday 95, yesterday 97, almost 100 today, a record breaker. Not as hot tomorrow, but we do have the chance to hit 90 very briefly. That would make it a 7-day heat wave before a cold front will knock the temperatures down, bring some relief by Tuesday. It's in the upper 80s to lower 90s inland. Take note, Newport with the fog and the breeze off the water. It is significantly cooler, kind of nature's air conditioner with the Atlantic Ocean helping a little bit, and westerly warm but not hot at 83. So the heat wave continues. Today's day number 6, and we are close to 90 for tomorrow. But the concern here is with the approach of a cold front tomorrow. We have hot and humid conditions ahead of the front. Looking at the strong to severe thunderstorms, the window of opportunity here is roughly mid to late afternoon and into the early evening hours. Relief. The humidity is gone. We're not nearly as hot, and that starts on Tuesday. Some of these storms that come through, the potential impacts would include, and first of all, this is the kind of deal where not every town will get one, but heavy rain, moderate risk of some hail, high risk of some damaging straight line wind gusts, low risk of an isolated tornado. We're not saying it's a 0% risk, but a low risk. So something that we'll watch very, very closely on the radar later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Some storms out in upstate New York should not be a factor in our forecast. What we're tracking is a system across the Great Lakes in the upper part of the atmosphere and a cold front. This is all tracking east and arriving here tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Areas shaded in yellow, pretty much most of central and southern New England getting real close. Shaded in yellow, this is kind of a level 2 or slight risk of severe thunderstorms with damaging wind and some hail tomorrow afternoon and early tomorrow evening. Let's walk you through the forecast this evening and overnight. Warm and humid, that fog along the coastline. Tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., it's in the low 80s. We may briefly get up to 90 before the storms start to work in. This is around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Impressive area of thunderstorms passing through. The risk is probably gone by around 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow evening. But again, really need to be weather aware mid to late afternoon and early tomorrow evening. Forecast for this evening is just kind of warm and humid by 11 o'clock this evening, 79. Watch for some locally dense fog on the south shore. Any early morning clouds and fog will thin to hazy sunshine. Mid to late morning, and then all eyes on the mid to late afternoon hours for some of these storms to be coming through, and again borderline strong to severe. All right, 7-day forecast shows relief. The heat wave is over on Tuesday, seasonably warm and less humid. Sheena, with a temperature at around 80 to 85 degrees. So could be a 7-day heat wave tomorrow if we hit 90, but the bigger concern is thunderstorm risk, so stay tuned.
So definitely dress for the occasion.
That's it, dress for comfort.
All right, thanks.